All right, if you're solo, meaning you're the only one that's going to be sending and receiving emails from the CRM, and you're using an @Gmail or @Outlook.com email, the free versions, we're going to set up two things for your email. First, you're going to go to Settings, Profile, bottom left here. You're going to set up whichever one you're using. So just click Gmail or Outlook. Then you'll enter your email and password, allow the permissions, and connect the two-way sync. Now we want to set something else up as well. So you'll stay in the settings here and you're going to go to email services. In the top right here, you're going to press add service and you're going to add either Gmail, or if you're using Microsoft Outlook, you're going to press other. So I'll quickly explain to you how you add each of these. So if you click Gmail, it's going to bring this up and you're going to enter your actual email address. And then what's crucial here is you have to actually enter a password, but it's not the same password as your Gmail. It's an actual app password. And the easiest way to do that is to be logged into your Gmail, come up to these dots right here and go to account. And then you can type in right here, app password. And this one right here that actually says app password, it's under security, will come up. You can click there. It'll make you re-enter your actual password for your Gmail. And then you want to name it something. You can see I named mine CRM. You can name it whatever you want. So you just say whatever name you want and then press create, and it's going to give you a password like this one right here. So you're going to copy that password and you're going to paste it right here and press save. All right, and to set up Microsoft Outlook, you're going to go add service. You'll press other. You can call it whatever you want. I'll just put MS Outlook. You can literally just Google what is the SMTP server and port number. So I'm just going to copy this. My username and email is the same. Enter my password, press save. And then I'll turn this on. After you set up the SMTP service, you'll notice that this enable reply tracking defaults to on. You're actually going to want to turn that off. And the reason you can have this off is because you actually have the two-way sync set up here. And what this does is it has the email go somewhere else, but we actually don't want that. And what it'll look like to the recipient of the email if you have this on is when they open this up and they press reply, you'll have this funky email address that it's sending to. And if you do that, it'll only go into the CRM. It won't go to your Outlook. So that's why we turn this off. And then the recipient email will look normal like this. And if they press reply, it just goes there. They'll reply. And the reply will go to both your Outlook inbox as well as show up within the CRM. With this configuration, if you do use an automation to send emails, if you leave this blank, it's going to default to whatever email you have right here. So you'll want to make sure that this email matches the email you set up here. Or if you fill this out, make sure you're filling it out with the email that you set up here. Otherwise, whatever SMTP service you're using is most likely not going to allow you to send an email from a different email address that isn't correct.